One of the more glamorous jobs. Not. Boat is the boss is working on what's called changing duck bills. That's our toilet system, 3 toilets. And I can't quite see. Well, this is one of your favorite jobs, right, honey? That's what he's changing. These guys in the pump, and then all those little ones. What did you say?
Smells worse than a brewery.
Smells worse than a brewery, you think? Yeah. This is a blue job on the boat, not a pink job. And it just stinks. We've been doing some organizing and taking inventory of parts, and that's why she's a bit of a mess in here. Oh, okay, I gotta go. Ooh, a picture of what? What stuff? Oh, I think that's part of what stinks.
That's part of what's
Oh, okay, now I'm really out of here. Whoa.